We are an American family of 7, living, working, and loving Brazil. Welcome to the adventures of our Brazilian life. We are at the dentist and we're really happy to be here. It's been a while.
1 year. It's been 1 year.
It's been a year. We had the kids' teeth cleaned before we left and we've been in Brazil for about a year. So it's time we came into the dentist and we researched a couple and we found this office. It's really nice and they seem to do well with kids. And at the 6-month mark, we were just busy with life and starting our business and didn't even think about it. And so I was brushing Camila's teeth and noticed what I thought might be a cavity, and it just made me think about it and realize we need to get into the dentist. So we're here. I'm a little nervous that our kids are gonna have a lot of cavities because it's been a while, so let's keep our fingers crossed and get it taken care of now, but hopefully it's not too bad, so we'll see. Where did you get that outfit? So we have some good news and some bad news. 4 kids are good. No cavities, teeth are strong and good, and I'm so grateful for that. Camila has a cavity, which I already knew because it was big enough for me to see, but what I didn't realize is that it's completely infected and needs to be removed, and it's kind of a big deal, and she's got another cavity, so it breaks my heart. It kind of gave me a stomach ache to see that. But we're gonna come in a couple days and have that tooth removed because it's actually in pretty bad shape and it's pretty urgent. So let me know if you guys wanna see a video of a tooth removal in Brazil. Maybe my North American friends might be interested in that, maybe not at all, but if you are, I'll make a video and you can see that process and see how she recovers, but that tooth has got to come out, and I'm glad we're here now getting it taken care of because it's in pretty bad shape.
Bocão. Maisa,
Hi.
what did you think about the dentist?
It was good.
What did the dentist say to you?
I don't have any cavities and my tooth right here is wiggly.
I think the cleanings here are similar to the United States. The dentist cleaned and polished the teeth. She did an exam, checked for cavities, and then she put fluoride on everybody's teeth, and the kids have to wait a half an hour until they can eat or drink. So it's pretty much the same, and I think it's good quality. They did a good job. The price was right too. So for our whole family of 7, they gave us a discount because we come in bulk. So for the kids, it was 80 reais, which is about $20 for a cleaning, which is excellent. Much, much cheaper than in the States. And quality is about the same, so we're happy with that. Please let me know if you want to see more videos on dentists in Brazil, and we'll see you next time. Ciao.